Is that your giraffe? Oh, he's so soft. He's so soft, isn't he? It's a giraffe. Aw, that's nice. You're petting the giraffe?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a nice giraffe, isn't he?
Yeah.
Are you happy you found him? Did your giraffe get kisses? Oh, that's nice. Aww. Kisses for Giraffe.
Hi.
Hi, Giraffe. Does the giraffe have a name? What's the giraffe's name?
Me.
Giraffe's name is Me?
Me. Me.
Yeah, he's yours.
Max.
He's your giraffe, isn't he?
Max.
Yep. Who are you?
Me.
Dean. What's your name, Dean? Do you want your sneakers off?
Yeah.
Okay, sit in your bum.